Imagine a world where cloud computing is no longer dominated by giants. Neoclouds are shaking up the scene, offering specialized services that challenge traditional models. This shift is crucial for developers and businesses alike. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well-Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Neoclouds are transforming the cloud landscape by moving from monolithic to specialized services. This change empowers developers with more tailored solutions, enhancing efficiency and innovation across industries. Neoclouds are a new breed of cloud providers focusing on specific computing domains. Unlike AWS or Google Cloud, they offer specialized services like GPU as a service, catering to niche needs. These Neoclouds stand out by providing transparent pricing and specialized GPU services. They challenge traditional giants by offering cost-effective, targeted solutions for high-performance computing. Neoclouds excel in agility, offering rapid innovation and specialized solutions. Their distributed resource networks provide flexibility and cost advantages over centralized infrastructures. Customer-centric approaches define Neoclouds, allowing personalized support and tailored solutions. This focus on specialization leads to faster innovation and better performance optimization. GPU as a service democratizes access to high-performance computing, removing the need for costly hardware ownership. This model offers instant scalability, benefiting AI and graphics workloads. By converting capital expenses to operational ones, businesses save significantly. Neoclouds provide cutting-edge GPU technology without the burden of maintenance, offering a competitive edge. Neoclouds power AI and machine learning by providing scalable GPU resources. They enable breakthroughs in gaming, VR, and scientific research, making high-performance computing accessible to all. Blockchain and video rendering also benefit from Neoclouds. These platforms offer flexible, cost-effective solutions for complex computational tasks, driving innovation across various sectors. Neoclouds offer transparent pricing, unlike traditional clouds with complex structures. Their specialized infrastructure provides performance advantages, ensuring efficient resource utilization. Expert support is a hallmark of Neoclouds, offering tailored assistance for specific workloads. This focus on specialization enhances both cost-effectiveness and performance. When adopting Neocloud solutions, evaluate your workload requirements carefully. Consider integration challenges with existing infrastructure and ensure security and compliance with specialized providers. Neoclouds offer flexibility for burst capacity and specialized hardware needs. By understanding your specific demands, you can leverage these platforms for optimal performance and cost savings. Neoclouds are reshaping the cloud landscape, driving innovation and growth. Their specialized services offer businesses a competitive advantage, enabling them to adapt quickly to changing demands. By embracing Neoclouds, businesses can unlock new possibilities for innovation. These platforms provide the agility needed to thrive in a fast-paced, technology-driven world. Recap. Neoclouds offer specialized, cost-effective solutions that challenge traditional cloud models. By focusing on specific needs, they provide agility, transparency, and performance advantages. Takeaway: By exploring Neocloud options, you'll gain access to cutting-edge technology and cost savings. This strategic move can enhance your business's competitive edge and drive innovation. Call to action. Consider integrating Neocloud solutions into your strategy. Evaluate your specific needs and explore how these platforms can transform your approach to high-performance computing. Join the cloud revolution today. Embrace Neoclouds to unlock new opportunities and drive your business forward. Let's innovate together and shape the future of cloud computing.